Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Lisa, Best Life Lee. Today I'm doing a what's in my bag video. This is a 24 bag from Walmart that is under $50, and I have added an Amazon little fall tassel that's removable, and I'll tell you about that in a few minutes. But I'm going to show you everything that I have in this bag. And I am so excited because when you see this video, which will be Tuesday, September 14th, I will actually be on my way to Ohio for a girls' trip. And it is the trip of a lifetime, because when I started this YouTube channel, I could never have envisioned that I would one day be going on a girls' trip to meet the two orchids. So I definitely will be vlogging that trip. But next week, well, the week that you're seeing this, I probably won't be responding to your comments as quickly as I normally do. But rest assured, I will definitely be responding when I get free minutes. Probably won't be till like I'm ready to go to bed at night, because they have a packed itinerary for us, which I am super, super excited about. But I'm going to be traveling, so I'm going to use this bag as my carry-on. It's really heavy, so I'm going to show you that it does have a crossbody strap, which I will be using. And I'll show you everything I have in there to travel. Yeah, so let's get started in the what's in my bag video. All right, so the bag, and so this beautiful tassel. So I have a subscriber, Kathy. Hi, Kathy. And I had done a what's in my bag it had a tassel on it, and she mentioned to me in the comments that she had ordered some removable tassel from Amazon. And so I found this one with the fall colors. It's so soft and pretty, and it just has this little lobster claw clasp, and you can just interchange it on your bags, whatever you're using, and it just gives it just such a nice little fall vibe. It was very inexpensive. I think it was under 15, but I will link it below. You can get it in a million different colors, and I just think it looks so nice. So thanks for the tip on that, Kathy. Really love it. I'm going to cut this little tag off. And it is made in China. That's okay. So I'm just going to take this plastic wrap off here. This one was, as I said in the beginning of the video, under $50. The 24 bags that are on Walmart, I did not find this bucket bag. As of today, it's not there. But there are a few others that I will link below. But anyway, this has got the designs. It's obviously not Louis Vuitton, but it's got the design like the Louis Vuitton bags do. And it has a red interior. The stitching and the feel of the bag. I had somebody tell me that these dupe bags are stiffer than the Louis Vuitton. Well, that's to be expected. They're not. They're not real, so they're going to be stiffer. But to me, they're just as nice. Not just as nice. They're decent quality, and when you just want a handbag that's not going to fall apart on you, and it's going to hold up to some weight, which this one definitely will. The thing I like about it is it's really, really big inside, and I can fit a ton of stuff in here, and you'll see as I start to take everything out what all I can fit in here. Now I am going to use the crossbody strap, so I am going to attach that now. And again, I'm using this as a travel bag, so I have things in it that I probably would not normally have in it. But that's the beauty of it, that I can fit so much in here. So the strap is, you know, fine. I don't see any fraying. I don't see any problems with it. It's got the tan and the red. So I'm just going to hook it onto the little rings on the side. And I have to give her another chip because she's gonna get noisy. So let me just do that. But this was super, super easy to attach. All right, back. So when I want to carry this in the airport, it'll be close to me, it'll be close to my body. And this crossbody strap will take the weight of the bag, and you can see how pretty that is. I'm gonna get started with what's inside the bag. All right, so first up is a magazine, because I'm going to be, again, this is for travel, so I'm gonna want something to flip through, read on the plane. I also have my current book that I'm reading. I just started this one and I'm traveling next week, so I definitely will still be reading this book next week. And this is already starting out to be a really cute seasonal book. So if you're interested in that, I will link it below. I have this little journal, and the reason I got this journal was because this, again, is a trip of a lifetime, and I am going to want to write down how I'm feeling as I'm going, you know, just something to really kind of look back on. And this is cute. It's a hummingbird. This I did get at Amazon, so I will link this below. And you just, it's got like nice little stitching, and you just wrap it around. You just tuck it in the back to seal it up. And I have two pens. One is just like a really pretty pen with a little charm on it. It's just your basic pen. And then I also have an erasable pen. I always have to carry an erasable pen. So I have my pens. Then I have my iPad, which I will be taking out during the flight and watching whatever. That will keep me going. You know, keep me occupied during the flight. And I have my headphones. These are noise canceling headphones. That will be good on the plane because it kind of cancels the noise of the engine a little bit, as much as you can, you know. And then I have some masks. Masks are still required, I believe, in the airport, and I believe on the airplane. I'm gonna be bringing the one that has the little hole in it for a straw, so I can drink my iced coffees or my iced teas. I have a regular one that, you know, is just a regular one. And then of course I will have my phone. You know, obviously I will have my phone. And then I am bringing my camera. Now, it's not in my case because I'm actually filming right now, but I will have my camera with me, and I will have my little gadget here. So this is my like sort of selfie stick kind of a thing. So I can hold my camera or my phone and film while I'm vlogging the trip. One thing that I don't like about this is that these little side pockets here are shallow. They're not deep enough for the phone at all. You can see it kind of sticking out. I would never carry it there. So I couldn't carry anything that I didn't want to drop out, so I'm not too happy with those side pockets. All right, now this little container has a bunch of stuff that I feel like maybe I would need on the plane or in the airport or while traveling. So this is just a first aid kit. It's really all it is. It's not really a first aid kit. It's just some antiseptic wipes, gauze pads, and Band-Aids. But you never know, you know, if I ever need a Band-Aid, I'll be able to get one. So I have that. I have some lip balm because it gets very dry. And then I have some Tylenol. I have some Lysol spray for the restrooms or anywhere else I think I might need to spray. I have some Lip Tide Mini to go for any stains that I need to take care of, because I am known to dribble my coffee. I have a travel toothbrush and some toothpaste. If I want to brush my teeth when I get off the plane, I'll be able to. I have a hair tie, which I probably won't use, but just in case. And then these two things, this one is a rollerball and this is a Tranquility scent. It's just very light, and I figure I'm gonna need some tranquility when I'm flying just to calm me down. Not that I get too crazy, but no one really loves to fly. I mean, if you do, let me know in the comments and tell me what your secret is. And this is a calming mist. Okay, serenity now. So that's what's in here. And then I have my glasses in my little glasses case, because I will definitely need those. I have some Altoids. I have a Tootsie Pop. I'm definitely going to get some more candy. There's just one thing that I have to have when I fly. For as long as I can remember, I have to have Twizzlers for the flight. Just something about Twizzlers makes me feel like, okay, I can fly. So if you like Twizzlers on a flight, let me know. I have in here another pair of headphones. So this one will work in my phone. It has the little USB. So I have these in case I want to listen to something on my phone instead of my iPad with my big headphones. Lastly, so in this does have a zippered pocket, and so what I'm carrying in my zippered pocket is my wallet, where I feel like that will be nice and safe. This is my little card wallet that I got from Amazon over the summer. I absolutely just love this thing. I can carry all my cards, my license, and my cash. And it's just nice and small, and it fits in everything. So I'm just putting that back in the zippered pocket. And my last thing is my little makeup bag. So what I have in here is I have my palette for my, I have my powder, my blush, my bronzer, brush, my travel brush for my blush and my powder. Then I have my Buxom gloss, and this is a fall color right here. It's like Pippa Pumpkin. You're never gonna see that, I'm sure. But this is a fall color. I love it. Then I have two more pens just in case. And I have my peepers. Have you ever heard of peeper? I love these things. They clean your glasses, and they clean them like really, really good. They're the best cleaner for glasses that I've ever seen or used. Better than the cloths, better than the wipes. They clean them so perfect. So I love these. I usually have these by my bed at night so I can clean my glasses to read, but I'm packing them. I have some hand sanitizer. This is the one that I got recently. It's pumpkin, sweet cinnamon pumpkin. Hand cream, my pumpkin cupcake hand cream. I love this stuff. My super glue, in case I lose a nail, God forbid, I can glue it back on. And then some perfume. Now, this is 1 ounce, so I think I can bring this with me without getting it taken away from me. That would be horrible. So anyway, guys, that is all what is in my travel bag. You can see this is just such a great size. This is excellent for carrying every last little thing that I want to carry on the plane. I hope that you have enjoyed this what's in my bag video. Thanks so much for watching and for hanging out. And as I said, I will definitely be vlogging my trip to Ohio. I am so super excited and so grateful that the two orchids are taking time out of their busy lives to host us and to take us to all the places that we see when we watch their videos. I just could never have imagined. It's a dream come true. And if you happen to be new, welcome. If you like videos that go from cooking to decorating to just all the different ways that I create my best life, then I hope that you will subscribe and join this awesome community. So take care, everybody. Bye for now.